What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mercedes S580e that we have right in front of us. Now before we get right to the physical appearance of this car in the details such as the lights, the interior and whatnot, let us take a walk around to show you guys the black unit with the chrome on it, of course. And I love the wheels, man. They are super bright. Can you see that? It's not just any normal wheel that you see on a Mercedes, but this is like a chrome finish, a very bright chrome finish, and looks absolutely stunning, man. Now let's start off with the front. You do get this amazing design of a front light where they are using the digital lights right here. Love the DRLs that will come on later in a while more. I'll show it to you. These two will actually light up at the sides, and also you get one line coming right down. So that's really beautiful about this particular light that we have right here. Now for the front grille, I love all the chrome lining that's happening all over the car. Love the lines that are going from left to right. You also get a radar sensor right here together with your front camera over here as well. You do get some number plate holders right here where your number plate goes. Very nice. Tons of chrome finishing all over the side of the bumper, from the front all the way to the sides, and that creates this very luxurious kind of a feel, man. You do get some at the bottom right here, some chrome lining. I love how chrome happens all over the car, and the beautiful thing about this that I personally love about Mercedes cars is that they have this badging. You got your front Mercedes logo popping out like this, which looks absolutely gorgeous, man. You do get this very cute MERCEDES-BENZ black and silver badging right at the bottom, but what's fantastic is that you get that. That's what's nice, man. Now you do get a very clean looking front hood. I love the lines that are going from left to right. Nothing happening much in the center, but it does the job because it's an S-Class. You don't need that much of aggressive look for a car like this, but it already makes a status and a name for itself. Bridgestone tires is what we're looking at for this. Check out the wording at the side right here, Bridgestone. As you can see, you do get this very bright chrome finish of a wheel. You get what I mean? It's not any regular wheel that you see, but when you see one, you're like, damn, why is it so bright? It is right now. So Bridgestone tires, as I mentioned, tire size 255/40 R20, so 20-inch wheels for a car like this. Okay, drill disc brakes happening on the inside right there. You got your calipers right there, so very nice and clean looking. Love the center caps, also in the Mercedes bright finish chrome. Gorgeous finish. Now let's talk about the side. EQ hybrid. Of course, I love how they have their badging at the side right there. You do get this amazing chrome lining all the way from the front all the way to the side. Beautiful finish. You do get your turn indicators located right here below the side mirrors. 360 camera right there. You do get this gloss black finish happening right here with some amazing chrome lining that goes all over the place, all the way to the side, pops down, cuts right, all the way to the front. So that's gorgeous. You do get some chrome lining here at the door. Let's touch the door at the side. Door handle pops up, Mercedes-Benz wording right there. Put your hand in, pull, door opens up. Gorgeous. Let's talk a little bit about the doors before we head right in to the interior. Now you do get your blue lining right at the back of the handle where you actually pull to open up the doors. Love this quilted kind of a stitching design that is happening for the doors. The nut brown, I believe, the interior looks very nice. Or it's not nut brown, it's more brighter finish brown. I forgot what is it called. Saddle brown, perhaps. Yeah, very nice bright finish of brown. Plenty of places to put your hand to pull to close the door. You can even put it here, you can even put it here. Long one. Window adjustments up and down. Gloss black panel. You got this chrome lining, satin finish all over the place. Love the lighting that's integrated into the door side right here. You got your amazing Burmester speaker sound system, gorgeous sound. Compartment storage down here. Seat adjustments to push it forward over this side, if you notice, yeah. And also your door handles to open up and close the door, unlocking and locking. You do get your memory seats, heated and cooling ventilated seats for the car. Very nice. You do get your leg extensions as well for here. Very nice. We're not going to be using much of that, so we're going to put back in. Mercedes-Benz plate lighted up. Amazing touch. Let's jump right in. Check out the seats. Once again, I love all this quilted kind of design. Nappa leather interior, gorgeous finish. Now let's head right in. And first thing I have to say is that it is sitting superbly comfortable, man. Love how the finishing of this interior actually looks. Now you got your air vent adjustments right here. I like how you can go up and down. You can only do it on one. Ah, cool. The next one here you can't. It's more like left hand, right? but these ones here you can go left and right and also up and down, so very nice. I like how this is centered and this is movable. You do get this to adjust the amount of fan that or air blows through. It's the button you press. With the car started, you can actually adjust it. Leather dashboard that you guys get, very nice finish. Speaker goes right up there. You got your air vent adjustments right here, 4 of them right here. Dashboard is very clean looking and very sleek. Love how it looks. I love the wooden dashboard that's coming with the car as well. You got your ambient lighting integrated right here, very nice. Some storage compartment happening at the back right here, very gorgeous. Open that up, you got your compartment storage right here. You got your perfume that goes right there for the interior of the Mercedes. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat belts are in black. From the side right here, very nice. Now we'll jump right to the back in a while more, but before that, check out the interior. Love how the screen is angled up towards the, how to say this, towards the center in a way, not really angling towards the driver, so that's kind of cool. Amazing interior for the back, for the side, gorgeous. Now we'll talk about this in a while more storage space once we hit to the driver's seat, but let's get right down to show you guys the rear seats of this car. Open that up. Let's open this and take a look at the doors, man. Dude, first thing, you do get your, as I mentioned earlier, the brown interior, saddle brown, I believe. You got your window adjustments up and down to get a bit shade. Front also you can actually, actually this one right here is for the back windows, sorry. This one right here is for the shade to get with the sun blind. That's happening, very nice. Door opening up and closing, unlocking and locking in from the back, so that's kind of cool. I love that they have the center adjustments for you to actually adjust, but you can recline the seats to make it as comfortable as possible by hitting on that button right there. So as you can see, it is currently now making its way to actually adjust and move forward in any way possible. Cool. Now we will play around with that shortly in a while more, but before that, you got your memory seats that are happening 1 and 2. You can press this button to bring back the seat to its original position. Heated and cooling together with your, you can even control the front seats to bring it forward from here if you wish to. Amazing. Burmester sound system that's happening right here. Compartment storage that we have down here. Mercedes-Benz plate right there lighted up. Check out the space. Now let's jump right in for the front seats. Now let's push this forward still. Continue. What's happening down here? Very, very cool. Yeah, I like how they have that right there. So very, very nice indeed. So this particular seatings, of course, you can actually put your leg up like that. Tons of space, man. I like how I get to see what's happening at the front. I got my screen right here. Amazing glass roof that's happening right at the top. You got other adjustments for your air vents and whatnot over here. Touch controls. Very, very cool. Cool, yeah, I can even press the back button right here to bring back the front seats to be as comfortable as it can actually be. So it's adjusting right there, so very, very cool. Now we'll play around with that in a while more, but before that, amazing touch. Very, very cool. Check that out. One more time again. Very, very cool, man, dude. Amazing. So once again, you got your seat belts right here, but the beautiful part about the seat belt is that there's an airbag on the inside right here. It's called a belt bag. Very cool. Very cool. It's not every day you find a seat belt with a belt bag, but anyways, soft headrest that you guys can actually feel what's happening right here. Let's pull this down, and you do get your tablet that you're able to control the screens and whatnot from here. You do get some buttons right here to control and adjust. Your wireless charging goes right here, and also your Type-C, 2 of them right here. So amazing touch indeed. Let's push this back up. Cool. Now let's jump right to the center. right here. Okay, so this is me sitting comfortably right at the center, and the headroom is good, just nice. I do get amazing view of what's happening at the front right here. Let's jump right to the side. Again, once again, as I mentioned, belt bag. As you can see, belt bag. Love the quilted stitch that is on the particular seats. Now let's open up the doors. Let's get right down to this side right here. And first thing you will be able to notice is, of course, your petrol cap, where you get your petrol that goes in. Very, very cool. And you do get, again, your chrome lining, your chrome wheels, dude, guys. Gorgeous finish. With the sunlight hitting it, it looks absolutely bright. Your solid disc brakes that are happening right there, Bridgestone tires that are happening right here. You do get your 235/35R20 20-inch wheels for the back also as well. And check out how gorgeous the wheels actually look with the brown interior with the black exterior. Very nice. I love all the chrome that's happening all over the car, as you can see, man. Whew. Now, before we get right to the details, let's admire the chrome lining on the rear. You do get your plug-in hybrid feature. You got your AC as well as your DC. That's what's beautiful about this S-Class, man, dude. Damn. Okay. Very cool. Now, chrome lining, as I mentioned, S580e badging at the side right here. You do get your Mercedes logo right in the center right here. All over the place, you got tons of chrome happening from left to right. At the bottom right here, exhaust tailpipes look absolutely fantastic. Underneath, you got two exhausts, as you can see. Gorgeous finish. Let's open up the rear boot and show you guys the amount of space that you guys actually get. Very, very much a lot of space, man, dude. Now you can open that up to actually store more things inside. You can reach out to the back right here, hook some stuff instead of having things rolling around. Amazing setup, amazing boot space. Warning triangle goes right there. Closing of the boot, locking of the boot. Let's press that. Cool, man. Amazing, amazing. The bottom right here, love the chrome tailpipes that you guys get. Very nice. Glass roof as well, that your car will actually give it to you. Amazing how it looks. Love the black once again. Now let's jump right in to the driver side of things and take a look at the brown interior. You do get your handles to open up and close, lock and unlock, your seat adjustments to push back, push forward. Check that out. Amazing indeed. Memory seats, you get your ventilator seat, heated and cooling. You can also adjust the front seats if you wish to. Example, like right now, I'm adjusting those seats by controlling from here because I got this on. So very nice indeed. Shade, to adjust the shade, the top lines. You also get your the shade at the back, sorry, together with the child lock to control the windows at the back in case you don't want them to wind down the windows at the back. Window adjustment for the front and the back. Side mirror adjustments together with your lighting for the car. Now we'll play around with this in a while more. Before that, down here you got your boot opening, Burmester sound system speakers right here. You do get your compartment storage right here. Speaker goes right up there. And the door looks gorgeous as always. Red lighting. Sorry. Now you do get your black pedals for the accelerator and the brakes. Gorgeous finish. Love the black lining that's all over the seats. Beautiful touch. Now let's jump right in to the driver's side, and first thing that you will notice is that how round the steering wheel looks, which is actually very, very good. Let's push the steering a little bit to the back, and yep, adjustments are right there, as you can see. Push it back up again. Very nice indeed. Now let's jump to the center. First thing is first. Love the design finish for the center console. Two Type-C charging right there, compartment storage right there, keep your phone, wireless charging, two cup holders. You got other place to keep more stuff happening right here. Very, very nice indeed. Your screen, you're able to control tons of stuff that are happening right here. Since it's a hybrid, it shows you how much battery you can actually use to actually get your car running, and other things that you can actually do with the car. But of course, we need the car to be started. In the meantime, we're not going to be doing that because this is a showroom car. Engine start stop button is right here. You got your signal indicators right here together with your your wiper adjustments right here. So as well, you got your negative shift, you got your positive shift right here. You got your driver selector right here, drive, reverse, P, This is all that you can choose. And your answering call, rejecting the call, and your voice over command, favorite button, volume up, volume down, and these controls are to control this screen right here from here. And of course you do get your other settings right here to control limit, your distance between you and the front car, speed that you're going at, the resume button, cancel button, home button for you to control this particular main screen that we have right here. So very nice indeed. Handbrake goes right here to pull, to release, to place it to place, and also your, as I mentioned earlier, your air vents up and down that you can adjust the speed, the fan, how much air you want it to flow through. Very nice indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. Seat belts are in black, quilted seats, amazing brown interior. Very nice indeed. Comfortable. You got to be here to see it and feel it in person. Now let's turn on the front lights to show you guys how amazing the lighting of this car actually looks. Now just check out how gorgeous the front of this car actually looks, man, dude, with all of the lighting that you guys actually get. DRLs, as I mentioned earlier, turns on right there. You got two of the DRLs located right there on the inside. You do get the digital light that's happening with the front lights right here in this blue finish. Very nice indeed. Check that out. Gorgeous. Now let's jump right to the back to show you guys how the rear looks like. First thing I have to tell you is that I like all of these lines of all these LED lights that are popping up right there, standing up straight. Can you see that? Looks absolutely gorgeous, man, dude. Mercedes-Benz wording right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous finish. Now let's turn on the turn indicators to show you guys how will the signal looks like. Press that, and turn indicators located right at the side mirror. Very nice touch. You do get your turn indicators that are happening on this side right here. Very nice indeed for a car like this. I like how the DRLs actually maintain. There's one right here, one right here, and one right here. Can you see that? Can you see that all these three are actually lighted up with some blue lighting on the inside right there? Very nice, man, dude. What about this side? Maybe you can see it clearer. Can you see what I mean? Looks absolutely gorgeous, man, dude. Whew. Beautiful. Turn indicators. Check this out, man. Amazing. Now jump right to the back, and what you notice is that the whole brake lights actually light up into this yellow lighting. Amazing, right? Beautiful. The reverse lights are located right here. When you slam on the brakes, it goes down here. Very, very nice, man, dude. For the back, super luxurious. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Garage PJ, where you will be able to locate many more other cars. You got one right there, you got one right here, you got one right here, and you got plenty more hiding at the back there, and plenty more on the outside right there. So that is it, guys, for watching. That is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.